Hi friends, I'm Shreya. In today's video, we will learn how to make another new bracelet. To make this bracelet, I have used wool and pearls. For the bracelet, I'm making a flower first. For this flower, I'm using yellow color wool. Total 40 times turning the wool. Then I attached the wool with the needle. You can see how I kept turning round and round. After the whole thing is finished, you will see that it looks like a whole wheel. We added some more wool and continued to spin it round and round in the wheel. To make this flower, first we took 3 pieces of 8 mm pearls Then we took 2 pieces. Again we took 2 pieces. In this process we continued to make the flower. For the middle of the flower, we took 12 mm off-white pearls. Our flower for the bracelet is ready. Now we make chains on both sides. I will use wool and off-white pearls to make this bracelet chain. I will use 8 mm, 10 mm and 12 mm off-white pearls to make the chain. As I made the chain on one side, I will make the other side in the same way. I hope you like this flower bracelet. Please comment what type of jewelry you like. You can keep this wool bracelet for Rakhi or give it to your friends on Friendship Day. You can use any color wool you want to make the flower. Share the video with your friends. Please like and comment. Thank you so much, dear.